We welcome back, ladies and gents. Hope everybody's doing great, doing well. We are just on our way real quick to the spare shop. Gonna do my clutch today. Hopefully we get that done in time for everything and so on. Might do a service as well. I think I should probably. But also just wanna go check if they've got brake drums and at the other side of the road, please, sir. If they have brake drums and maybe just new discs as well. I might as well. And then I need wheel bearings for the back. Yo, the list is just piling. Fun times. So gorgeous Saturday though. We are waiting some rain. It's 23 at 11 o'clock in the morning. Earlier this week it was like 30 at this time, so I'm not gonna complain. Not too long ago. She's already super dusty and dirty. But started Wednesday, not Saturday, so let's get like a start up there for the boys. Oh, exciting news! So there's no way this can reach the rim itself. So where did I see it now? That. I'm taking those back because I'm supposed to have a lifetime warranty on that, so I'm taking that back in a week. Look at that. That's fine, that I understand. But this, no ways, bro. Start this out changing the bolts. You just smell clutch when you come here. Shame, poor car. Okay, now my car keys. And then we can drain the gearbox oil. Yo, still got stress by mud. Okay, got him loose. Oh yeah, boy, look at that. A nice, good flow. I think while I wait for pops, let me let's not do this quickly. Change the air filter. Yo, I really hope the camera can pick that up. That thunder. This air filter isn't. I don't think it's too bad. Just yet. Oh, never mind. Oh wow. Yeah, that could be an issue. Honestly, I have had worse air filters in this car, but that's a little clogged up. Cool. I need to wait for Pops to come back because that's not the right one. I think because that was wrong, I'm just gonna check the plugs as well. And if that's right, then it's fine. I don't drive double. The right plugs that they gave me is a little fouled up though, but I'm just gonna replace it. I'm not gonna clean it. We're taking the center nuts, these 17s off. Here we go. Polys. No, replace it with that, but we'll show you what the difference is when we get the others out. And this is why I'm getting shudders on the acceleration. That was left of the CV boot. And back to the spare shop for CV boot. I've air filter, and I'm still gonna get petrol so we can clean that in the CV. Fly was gonna come off. I think we're gonna do the rear main seal one time. I think we'll do time to charge. Yes, Uncle Ty.
How's it?
Wat is Tiger?
Ah, thanks man.
For sure. Yes, us. Big Tiger. I couldn't care less about this right now. I hope I don't have to go to Athlone. It rained very nicely. That's what's left of my rear main seal. Very hard. It's not supposed to be that hard, folks. So let's see if we can go get one quickly. Cool. Now I need to go to Athlone. I hope. Should be it looks the same. Same direction. Inside. And alles. The old ones and the new ones. So all it takes is playing a little DJ and the clutch kits when it's done. And in here we've got petrol. So only stuff that's in the clean and the grease out properly. Thank you, unleaded. Cool. And this is also school. That water's crazy, folks. Oh, you nuts. To do the gearbox oil, I'll service the car tomorrow. Yeah, I'm already late. I was supposed to be in town by 5, but it's 6 already. Okay, first start up. Should be fine. Just driving in air quickly just to feel everything out. The dirty camera first. It's taking quite low. Seconds, taking very low. Gonna take some time for this clutch to bed in. I think my alignment is fine. Here we go. Raining and we're good, folks. We are good. Took a whole damn day. I'm dirty. I'm not dirty, but it's cool. It's cool. Now I need to shower up and then the lightning's crazy. We'll check with Jemma then if I can vlog you. My friends need to forgive me. Well, I don't need to, but like I hope they do because I'm so late. I am like, what's the time now? Like almost 8 o'clock. I'm 3 hours late. or 3 hours after the time we were suggested to come. But my car is fixed and I'm grateful for that, so I don't mind. It's a bit of like a ditch of water down the N1. Anyway, look how lekker this looks, like water coming off a car in the rain. Like honestly, I want to do rollers in the rain sometime. Here's Matt's car, she's out and about tonight. And then we've got the ST, the bike, the Z4. This is cool. Okay, there we go. We are here now. Hi Ben. Fuck. Hello everybody. Hi Cole.
Going in the vlog.
There's a fire.
Okay, is it in the vlog?
Yeah, this is the vlog. I've been vlogging my clutch all day.
Half of these were like redone, like resprayed or whatever, because Jemma took the corner so hectically that they all shot out the thing and like half
So
of
now
them
it's got
didn't.
some ST paint in it.
You see like these ones there, they're all fucked. Yeah, it's, Gemma's aggressive, eh?
That's cute though. That's ST and the E36 paint. Josh and Matt and Nat are leaving. What did you say Matt needs to do?
Decat the car. It's
Yeah.
gotta be decatulated.
Decatted. Decatulated. Constantia mom. And it's time to head home. Service the car tomorrow, I think. Crazy thought that this is where I was standing last week to watch cars go around this corner really fast. It's a Supra. And a Honda. It's a little misty, but the highway is really, it's not even late, but it's really so therapeutic at this hour. I mean, this still sounds good though. It's a new day, gorgeous day, pretty Mustang, and that's nice though. Oh yes. I was super keen to do this service this morning, but I think I'm gonna do it this afternoon and chill now for the rest of the day. Just for a bit. My body is so sore after yesterday, laying on the ground, doing this clutch. A little bit of a date day, but we've got to check the cars first. Magies vol oortjies toe. How you driving?
I'm asleep.
Waterfront man, get your parking stuff right. Your machine's like my card as well, so no, my not my, yeah, my, what, my ticket, not my card. Oh man, cool car man. Sure, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Ah! Let's end off this vlog with some gorgeous weather and a quick service. Got some oil in there, which is now a problem because it's not supposed to have some oil in there, so I'm gonna have to. I think that's why I have to miss. No, I can feel that this one dies. Yeah, this one's popped. Alright, and from a dirty centre, that's me ending this week's vlog off. Thank you for watching this far. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Almost at the 1,000 mark, guys. Less than 300 off now.